Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm becoming a father. I waited for a long time and it's finally happening. I'm so excited and nervous. I only see him in real life once and that's my second time. I hope he likes me. I don't know. Will he likes me? I don't know. I'm so nervous and I'm not ready yet. Oh my god, this is like a really a big moment in my life. I never doubt that I'll be a father. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so nervous. How you feel? Like it's so hard to express. I have so much emotion in my heart. It's so excited but so nervous at the same time. And I'll try my best to make him like me or something. Okay, let's go. I studied a lot though. I studied a lot to be best dad in the world. I don't know I can, but I will try my best. Yeah, I can't wait to hold it in my arm. Wish I'd never done it. Last time when I met, I only saw him, like I only looked at him, I couldn't hold it. So this time I'm gonna hold it in my arm, and I don't know how I would feel, but I'm pretty excited. Yeah. I never expect I'll be a dad by 28. And finally happening. Kinda scared. I feel like I'm gonna get a mental disease. I get excited, I get scared, nervous, I get confident that I can do it, and scared. That's like over and over again, going to the circle. You get what I mean? You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's how I feel. Not sure, but let's do it well. Oh my gosh, I finally got here and I'm waiting for it and I can't wait. Oh, I think that's what it is. Oh yeah, I think it just went up, so.
I can't breathe.
Finally, I met the baby. His name is Napoleon. He's so cute. Tiny. He's looking at me. He smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'll be really nice dad to you. You know what? I usually don't like the puppies to lick me. But actually it feels kinda good. Get what I mean? I guess that's the difference between my baby and the other baby.
Usually I feel like if they lick my mouth, it's so dirty and disgusting.
That's how I feel.
But when he licks my mouth, I'm like,
oh yeah.
it's okay, he's clean. He's family.
Yeah. So good. Let's bring him on. Family.
This is Napoleon.
This is your new place. And decorated well for you. Oh, the cup.
Oh, I'll put him down.
Your home. There's your TV, right? And here's a side hook. And there's a Booba, 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 Bulbasaur. This bed sucks! This bed sucks! You come here! What is smelling? He said, run away! Run away!
You're scary. You're so big.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. So I'm gonna make a lot of vlog about it, and I'm gonna make him his Instagram, but I didn't make his name yet. So once we decided, I'm gonna post it. So please follow his Instagram and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. See you guys next week. 안녕.